Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Awesome Piano Kid. So today I'd like to bring you through a tutorial of my channel. So what my channel is about is basically me playing the keyboard, and I also have on there, two or so music videos that can help you through playing the keyboard or the piano, whatever you want to call it. But if you have any song suggestions, please put it in the description or shoot me out an email of the songs that you'd like me to play, and I will try my best to play it. It might be, I don't know how long it might be. It might take forever to get it on there, but please give me a chance to be able to get to practice a song. And once it's practiced later on, then I can put it out on my channel. So, please come back, or come check me out on my channel. Anyways, so today I want to be going up through 100 likes on my channel. Plus, don't forget to subscribe down and hit the describe button, or subscribe, I mean. Anyways, thank you very much for coming to my channel, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.